On the second birth of Juliana Hachiro. This is her second child named Junichi Hachiro and Evil Junichi, and this shall remain the best keep in her eyes. It's the day of June 30, 2024. Junichi and Evil Junichi will rise again of their own power, in their own hands. June 30, 2024.
Hi! Good morning! Junichi! Wake up! It's your 18th birthday today! Wake up!
Okay, Mom. I know it's my birthday today. I gotta go. Brother, you think because it's our birthday you will win against me? No, cause I shall turn you into the reality world. What happened to me? Did he turn me into the reality world just now? What happened to me? What is this power?